Milwaukee M18 Fuel Gen 4. This is a 3 amp 21700 cell battery. Use a 4-inch grip rates. RYOBI 2200 inch-pound 4 mode with a 4 amp battery fully charged. RIDGID 4 mode 2400 inch-pound 3 amp octane battery fully charged. Okay, I don't quite know who won that. 3 amp 21700 cell, 4 amp 18650 cell. This is 2200 inch-pounds, this is 2000 inch-pounds, and this is 2400 inch-pounds. And this does 3,400 RPMs and 4,300 impacts. And this does 4,400 impacts and 3,900 RPMs. And this does 2,900 RPMs and 4,000 impacts. You know, this is the big brother, the middle brother, and the little brother. They're all made from TTI.